Uses in the sentences are: I enjoyed visiting Seattle, but it was a far cry from the ideal vacation spot I expected. Second example is: Ned is enjoying his new job, but his responsibilities are far cry from what he was told they would do. Next, by all means. By all means, certainly, definitely, naturally, also of course, using any possible way or method. Uses in examples are: if the Johnsons invite us for dinner, by all means we have to return the invitation. Of course, we don't have to invite their children too. In order to ensure its survival, the ailing company has to obtain an infusion of cash by all means. To get out from under. To get out from under means to restore one's financial security, to resolve a difficult financial obligation. Examples are: after years of struggling to get ahead, the young couple finally got out from under their debts. And the ailing company succeeding in obtaining the necessary cash, was able to get out from under his financial burdens. To take the bull by the horns. To take the bull by the horns means to handle a difficult situation with determination. This idiom is usually used when someone has been postponing an action for some time and finally wants to or needs to resolve it. The sentences in examples are: after 3 years of faithful service, Jake decided to take the bull by the horns and ask his boss for a raise. And Vic has been engaged to Laura for a long time now, and I know that he loves her. He should take the bull by the horns and ask her to marry him. To give someone a hand. To give someone a hand means to assist, to aid, to help, also to lend someone a hand. Would you give me a hand lifting this heavy box? And when Terry's car broke down at night on the highway, no one would stop to lend her a hand. Next, to give someone a big hand. To give someone a big hand means to clap one's hands in applause or to applause. After the talented new vocalist had sung her number, the audience gave her a big hand. Should we give a big hand to each beauty contestant as she is introduced?